In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new form in Freshsales CRM. To begin, make sure you are logged in to Freshsales CRM and you are on the main dashboard. On the left-hand navigation bar, look for the gear icon. This is where the admin settings live. Click that gear icon to open the admin area, since web forms are configured from settings rather than the regular sales screens. Once you are in admin settings, you will see several sections. Find the section labeled Leads, Contacts, and Accounts. This is where Freshsales keeps tools related to the records you collect and manage. In that section, click on Web Forms. This opens the area where you can create forms for your website that feed directly into your CRM. Now you are ready to create a new form. Look for the Add Web Form button and click it. Freshsales will load the form builder where you can choose what information you want to collect from visitors. Next, customize your fields. In the builder, click Add Contact Fields. Add the fields you want people to fill out, such as a name and an email address, along with any other details your team needs. As you add fields, pay attention to which ones should be essential. Mark the most important fields as required, so the form cannot be submitted without them. This helps keep your lead data complete and usable when it arrives in the CRM. After your fields are set, configure what happens after someone submits the form. You will have options like displaying a custom message or sending the visitor to a redirect URL. Use the custom message if you want a simple confirmation right on the page. Use the redirect if you want to send people to a dedicated thank you page or a next step page on your site. Keep the message clear so users know their submission was received. When everything looks correct, click Save. After saving, click Get Code Snippet. This will provide the HTML or JavaScript snippet you need to embed the form on your website. Copy the snippet carefully. Finally, add the form to your site by pasting that snippet into your website's HTML body or footer, depending on how your site is set up. After you publish your site changes, the form should appear and start capturing submissions into Freshsales. That covers everything you need to know.